Hello and welcome back to the washroom for another low effort review. We'll be looking at this Simpson 4.5 easy loader dryer. It's very simple. This is a landlord special. This is not something I purchased for myself. This is provided to me by my landlord. It is part of the unit in which I live. It does work, it does do the job, and it is fairly new, so it's, the bare minimum. But as a dryer goes, what do I think about it? Well, it's just the basic. It has one way of controlling it here. You can only change the timer this way. You can't turn it the other way. Also, it only has low and high, and you push this to start like that. And if you need to stop it early, you can do that. So it has no way of telling when clothes are dry, so it will either run too long or not run enough. So you're likely just going to use more electricity than you otherwise would. So if you're buying something for yourself, I'd get something that, at least tells when the clothes are dry to save energy. So I wouldn't buy this for myself. And yeah, there's the model number. It is an SDV457HQWA, and we'll just take a quick look inside here one more time, and you can see up here, that's the lint. That's the lint thingy, and you empty that when you're done. So yeah, this is the Simpson dryer. Would I get it? No. Does it do the job? I guess it will do in a pinch. And I'm happy with it otherwise, but if I get my own place, I'll get a better dryer than this.